Hey, Dr. Grissom and the Elise. First of all, sorry this is so late. I forgot to do it before class on Monday, and I've just had a really busy week since. So I watched the video. This assignment is the SWE life cycle models. So my biggest takeaways are basically like, the requirements, design, implementation, validation, verification, maintenance. So the requirements was interesting because it just went more in depth with the like waterfall versus agile methods. Design was pretty quick, like just keeping it kind of clean. Implementation, there were the 4 pillars of implementation, which were reduce complexity, anticipate diversity. There was like making it testable, and then keeping consistent form. Those are interesting. I know they were important. I didn't think of them as pillars though, but it makes sense. The verification was, did we build the system right? And then the validation is, did we like build the right thing? Like, was what we built right, rather than verification, which is, did we build it right? That was an interesting distinction. Kind of cleared that up a bit more. I accidentally deleted some of my notes. Sorry, I'm like looking at them. And then maintenance was like corrective, perfective, and adaptive. So that was helpful to look at, and then also how to choose a model, because that was kind of confusing in the beginning with the requirements. All right, timing an internship or whatever. Okay, group projects. One of the 4 pillars. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So big thing with that was like reducing complexity. Like I've been in group projects and just looking at like other people code and being like, whoa, what are you doing? Like that is way more difficult than it needs to be. Like make a function for that, or something like that. Like I couldn't even read their code half the time. So stuff like that in group projects, since we all have our own ways of coding, it's happened to me too, where I'll be doing something and someone's like, oh, you could totally simplify this, and I'm like, oh. So that's helpful. I have not done an internship, so I will skip that bullet point. And then classic mistakes in a group project. Basically, one person trying to do too much and like discouraging cooperation. I've seen that happen a lot, not mainly because like the person's trying to do too much, but because the person is like best equipped to do it, and everyone else kind of rides on their back or their shoulders, I guess is the proper saying. So I've seen that happen a lot. Okay, thank you.